अस्सलामु अलैकुम। किसी इस्लामी मुल्क में हिजाब पहनना तो आसान है, मगर जब कोई बहन दारुल कुफ्र में अपने इस्लामी अक़दार को बरकरार रखती है तो अपने तो क्या गैर भी इज़्ज़त करते हैं। आपने सोशल मीडिया पे एक अमरीकी जज कैप्रियो की रहमदिली की वीडियोस देखी होंगी, जो कभी तो एक बुज़ुर्ग की रोड वायलेशन इसलिए माफ़ करता है कि वो उससे भी बुज़ुर्ग अपने वालिद को अस्पताल ले जाने रोड के कवानीन की खिलाफ वर्जी कर देता है, तो कभी कोई माँ अपनी बच्ची को स्कूल बर वक्त पहुँचाने की फ़र्ज़ शनासी को दौड़ती है, तो कभी कोई शाम मुहाजिरीन का जुर्माना माफ़ करता नज़र आता है कि वो इस शहर में नए थे। मगर आज पाकिस्तानी शहर पेशावर के एक जोड़े की जज कैप्रियो के सामने कमाल की शाइस्तगी अपने इस्लामी अक़दार और कल्चर को बुलंद रखते हुए गुफ्तगू हुई। अगरचे उनकी गुफ्तगू तंज़ व मज़ा और हंसी मजाक से भरपूर थी। कभी बीवी अपनी गलती अपने शौहर के गले डालती, तो कभी अपने रोड वायलेशन की अजीब मंतक बयान करती। तो जज साहब ने भी उनकी खुश मिजाजी को देखकर बात को तूल दिया और कहा कि पाकिस्तानियों को मेरे साथ ख़त किताबत रहती है। जबकि आखिर में खान भाई ने अपने पश्तो कल्चर की मशहूर टोपी पकोल अपने हाथों जज को पहनाई। तो आइए आप भी शाइस्तगी तंज़ मज़ा से भरपूर ये खूबसूरत गुफ्तगू देखें।
Jawad Ahmad.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning, sir. You have a parking ticket on Kenyon Street.
Yeah, because my wife didn't know where to park and she left my park in the prohibited area.
You came here to court this morning to blame your wife? Is that why you came?
No.
Have your wife come up here.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So you drive the car?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And you got the parking ticket.
Yeah.
Now you have a second car, is that right?
Was that the Jeep is mine
Yeah.
and he has a Honda.
Well, she has a red light violation.
I'm not familiar with the city because I just moved here.
Where are you from?
Oklahoma.
Uh-huh. You have red lights in Oklahoma?
Yes.
You do? When
But
they're
no cameras.
no cameras. Oh.
And the roads are big. So
Is there any difference in living in Oklahoma and living in Rhode Island?
life is more faster here.
Faster?
Yeah. And very busy. The roads are very busy. Too much traffic.
Too much traffic in Providence? Yeah. Well, my next question is, you relocated to Providence, right?
Yes.
Why?
I got married to him.
Oh, it's his fault.
It's my fault.
His fault.
I take the blame.
These red light violations are all your fault because you brought her to
That's
a
what
place.
she told me before.
Life is too fast here. Oklahoma is nice and peaceful and tranquil.
Yeah.
The highways are wide. But it was worth it, right? You got a good man, right?
Yes.
Okay, so it's all worth it. Are you originally from Oklahoma?
No, I born in Pakistan and then I grew up there.
How long have you been in the States?
More than 10 years.
Do you still think of your home country?
Yeah.
Your family there?
Yeah.
You know, we're on social media,
Yes.
and I get several pieces of correspondence from Pakistan. You know, we get many comments and some wonderful letters from
Yeah.
people in Pakistan.
A lot of people loves you.
Everyone over there, when they come to know that I live in Providence, oh, do you know Caprio?
We want to meet him.
Everyone is like, when my friends come over to see me, they were like, can you take me over there? I said, unless you have a ticket.
Well, we hear so many good things about Pakistan. You know,
A lot of good things. Yeah.
So you must miss it. What do you miss most about being home?
Food.
The food? Are there Pakistani restaurants in Rhode Island?
In Rhode Island, yes, it's only one in Johnston.
Only one?
Yes.
Well, you live in an area called Federal Hill. That's what that area is called, right? Did you know that?
Yes.
It's going to cost you a total of $65.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
See Inspector Carrigan.
Sure. Can we take a picture with you, sir?
Simon, have him come up here. Okay, get in close.
Thank you.
So what is this?
That's traditional. Oh, thank you so much. It's a traditional hat from Pakistan, and especially in Pakistan where we belong from, Peshawar. So that's a traditional hat from there, and it's all made from like handmade and everything. So my father brought one for you, but he didn't have a chance to meet you. But I can help you if you want.
I've just been baptized a Pakistani.
नीचे सब्सक्राइब के बटन पे क्लिक करें, बेल के आइकॉन पे क्लिक कीजिए ताकि हर नई वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाए।